Now, the UK's spending watchdog says the cost of Prime Minister Rishi Sunak's plan to send asylum seekers to Rwanda could exceed $580 million by the end of the decade if the controversial scheme comes into force. The figure, which includes aid payment to Rwanda of up to £500 million and £800 million in operating and setup costs, is likely to raise further concerns about the value of a policy that has attracted fierce criticism from charities, right groups, and opposition member of parliament. However, the scheme has been stalled by legal challenges and no one has been relocated there yet.
This scheme will cost the taxpayer over £500 million just to send 300 people to Rwanda. That is less than 1% of those arriving in the country. It's a cost of about £2 million per person. This is a shocking revelation in this report that they've tried to hide. We should be investing that money in boosting our border security, in going after the criminal smuggler gangs instead.
And out in China, the latest factory survey shows that manufacturing activity in February contracted for a fifth straight month, raising the pressure on policymakers to roll out further stimulus measures as factory owners struggle for orders. Purchasing Managers Index fell to 49.1 in February from 49.2 in January, below the 50 mark, separating growth from contraction and in line with a median forecast of 49.1, while non-manufacturing PMI, which includes services and construction, rose to 51.4 and from 50.7 in January, marking the highest reading since September last year due to robust activity during the New York holidays. The world's second biggest economy has been grappling with subpar growth over the past year amid a property crisis and as consumer hoarding of spending, foreign firms that invest in manufacturers struggle for buyers, and local government contend with huge debt burdens. And crude oil prices edged up earlier today and were set to end the week modestly higher as markets awaited an OPEC Plus decision and supply agreement for the second quarter amid differing demand indicators for key consumers. U.S. and China, U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude rose to sell at $70.88 per barrel with an upsurge of 0.79%. Brent crude futures also experienced an upward price margin of 0.85%, selling at $82.61 per barrel. Burning light sells at $85.33 per barrel with an uptick of 0.35%. And for the OPEC basket, crude oil dealers are offering $82.01 per barrel with a price decline of 0.01%. And that's all for business.